welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You know, lately I've been focusing on rice recipes and pasta recipes because they tend to stretch the recipe. So this week I'm going to focus on a chicken and rice recipe. I'm going to cook it all in the same pot. So I guess I'll call it my chicken and rice one pot recipe. If you want to see how I do that, come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, so let's start by getting the carrots ready for the soup. And now time to slice up the carrot. There you go, all ready for sauteing. Okay, so we're going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let that melt down. Let's add the carrots in while we're at it. We're going to add another dab of butter here. So at this point we're going to add our spices. We're going to add a tablespoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, I got that in the bowl already mixed. And we'll add 2 cups of rice. Alright, so now we add the chicken broth. I chose for my chicken broth to use this collagen chicken broth. Also going to add to the recipe 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. There. And this is a chicken and rice recipe. I guess you might want to know, why did the chicken really cross the road to get to the KFC? Alright, it's coming to a boil. So, seriously, why did the chicken cross the road? Because when he got the Kentucky Fried Chicken, he realized what his job description was. He started running. Okay, so we've been simmering for a little while now. I think it's going to be safe to take that off the heat for a little bit. And at this point I'm going to pre-cook the chicken. So when it goes into the pot, we're pretty much done. I took liberty to slice up about a pound of chicken and pre-seasoned it and peppered it. I'm going to flavor it with a little bit of garlic. I like garlic. Some more of that onion powder. Oh wow. Just about done. Well, the other day, I tell you, I was dreaming. I don't know if anybody's ever had a flying dream, but I had a flying dream. And I'll tell you what, I was up in the air and I was flying good and high. Until to be honest with you, man, I ran across the chicken. He was flying too. Me and the chicken. I don't know who was more scared, me or the chicken. To be honest with you, as soon as I saw the chicken, I got so scared I fell to the ground and woke up. It's a good thing too, because if I hadn't, he'd probably be the chicken that's in this pot right now. But instead, I went to Walmart and I got some of their chicken. I got Purdue chicken. Time for a taste test. Get back on there, Garrett. Come on. I think we got a winner. Another success story. I gotta tell you, I'm gonna get me that chicken. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.